This question is a very important question, students, asked in the JEE exam. N belongs to the set of positive integers and each set is a quadratic equation. If you can clearly see, this is equal to 10n, has two consecutive integral solutions. Obviously, when you try to expand this, you will get x square plus 1x. Carefully observe this. We will get x square plus 3x plus I can write this 1 into 2 only. I will write 1 into 2 plus, if at all I had written one more term here, it should have been x plus 2 into x plus 3, right? So I would have got x square plus 5x plus 2 into 3, and this will continue like this, and I can write this as x square plus this upper part is given such that this is one term, okay? That upper bar is given such that to consider n minus 1 as one term, plus n minus 1 plus n minus 1 into x plus n into x. So I can write this part as n minus 1 into x plus n into x, which is nothing but basically 2n minus 1 into x. I'll write like this: 2n minus 1 times x plus n minus 1 times n. Is it okay? N minus 1 times n. That is equal to 10n. Has two consecutive integral solutions. So let me say, let alpha and beta be the roots of this. I'll call it as equation number 1 of equation number 1. So it is given in the problem two consecutive integral solution. Beta is equal to alpha plus 1, then correct or not? Such that modulus of alpha minus beta should be equal to 1. Modulus of alpha minus beta can be written as square root of alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 alpha beta, that is equal to 1. So our job is to first get a quadratic equation out of this. You can clearly see that how many terms are there basically here? N terms are there, yes or no? Every term is getting multiplied, so n terms. So I can say x square, I can group this like this: x square plus x square plus x square plus so on up to n terms, correct? Plus so on up to n terms, plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus so on up to plus 2n minus 1 times x plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus so on up to plus n minus 1 times n. That is equal to 10n, is it not? That is equal to 10n. So I can write this x square n times can be written as nx square. Now sum of odd terms of this is in arithmetic progression. We'll look at this: 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus so on up to plus 2n minus 1 terms. You can see Sn is equal to number of terms is n only, n odd terms are there, n by 2, 2 into 1, this here a value is 1, d value is 2, and n value is equal to n only, not 2n minus 1. Odd number of terms are there, n terms, odd terms are there. 2a plus n minus 1 times 2. So what is this answer that we get is equal to n square is what we get, correct or not? N square plus n square into x plus if we take the first term n as 1, if you take the first term n as 1, if you take the first term as n as 1, then you will get here, I can write this like this also, right? Plus 0 into 1 plus 1 into 2. So next term will be n square minus 1 divided by 3, is it not? How? You take n is equal to 2. 2 into 4 minus 1, 3. 3 by 3, 1. So it's matching with this term, 1 into 2. Take n is equal to 3 and so on, okay? It's matching. That is equal to what is it? That is equal to 10n, is it not? So we can easily divide by n, So I'll be left with x square plus nx plus n square minus 1 divided by 3 is equal to 10. 3x square plus 3nx plus n square minus 11, that is equal to 0. Is it right? N square minus 1 we'll write like this, whole divided by 3, that is equal to 10. So I can say 3x square plus 3nx plus n square minus 1 is equal to 30. So 3x square plus 3nx plus n square minus 31, that is equal to 0. Is that right? Compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This implies a is equal to 3, b is equal to 3n, c is equal to n square minus 31. Alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus b by a, that is equal to minus n, that is equal to minus n. Alpha into beta, that is equal to c by a, that is n square minus 31 divided by 3. Is it right? So I can say alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 alpha beta, that is equal to 1 only after squaring on both sides. Alpha plus beta the whole square is nothing but n square minus 4 times n square minus 31 divided by 3, that is equal to 1. So 3n square minus 4n square plus 31, that is equal to 3, minus n square is equal to 3 minus 31. That is equal to 10n. So here we get, this is not 31, here 4 ones are 121, is it right? 124. So 3 minus 124, minus n square is equal to minus 121, n square is equal to 121, n is equal to plus or minus 11. But here we are dealing with the number of terms, right? Number of terms. So n is equal to, what is the answer that we get? The number of terms. It's a positive value. Question is asking you what is the value of n. So the value of n is equal to 11 is the answer to the question.